Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video on Naija Daily. So, guys, in this video, talking about Burna Boy Love Damini Summer Tour. So, if you're new to this channel, I will appreciate if you please subscribe so as to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So, in case you don't know, Burna Boy is on tour, the Love Damini Summer Tour, and yesterday it was the turn of Detroit, Michigan. So, in terms of stage performance, Burna Boy always gives his 100%. And yesterday it was even more than 100%. He gave his 101%, guys. And you can see the way he carried the fans along, the energy he put out on this show, guys. It was so perfect. And also, Burna Boy has got his Africa Giant album certified gold in the UK. Like, this is massive win for Burna Boy, guys. So share your opinion in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, I'll appreciate if you subscribe. Peace, guys.